and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today, we are going to take a look at the duck yard. First up is Monster Hive meets a honey super. So, we're going to do that.
Put it in there too. Put it in there.
Yep, that's going to go on top. Alright, they're already moving up top there. This is what's called a wet super, which means we just got done extracting it not too long ago, and it still has honey residue in it. Alright, this is the hive with no name. Alright, they took all of their syrup. Right, super deep. They're on like 3 or 4 of the middle ones. Alright, this is Hive White. It's empty. so we'll give them another bar. Alright, so this hive's staying. Alright, Joshy. You bring the smoker over too, Josh? Can you come and hold this up? Alright. I'm going to give them a new bar. Gave them 2 new bars. Let's see what this side looks like. Oh yeah. right. So, we're going to close them up. In here in the first place. This. Okay, our main goal today was to get the little mini nuke, or the little nuke, and bring it home to use to requeen laying right. I wanted to do that last because everything else was going to be really easy. First thing that we did was we added a honey super to Monster Hive. They needed it. They've got all 10 of the second deep worked on. Then we started to feed the hives, and I realized it had been almost a month since we had been here last, and I just wanted to take a peek in, and I was met with a bunch of bees at both ends on both Hive White and Hive Stain. So in addition to feeding them, I gave them each some new top bars. We also fed the hive with no name. All hives had eaten all of their sugar syrup. We didn't refeed the mini nuke because they're going to be taken away here soon. Just means we got to come back out again here in tomorrow or the next day, depending on the weather. They're saying rain tomorrow. It had rained today, and it might rain a little bit later on, so the bees were a little cranky. Were they cranky, Joshy? Yeah. Joshy got stung right at the end. I got stung about 3 or 4 times. So they weren't in a very good mood. But Monster Hive looked really happy once they got that honey super on. There was a lot of activity outside of it as we left. So I don't know if it's probably just orientation flights. So the 2 top bars, they have really built up really strong. I'm really pleased with their progress. I forgot to use my turn signal. So we'll have to make up some more sugar syrup. I may have to take a look at the hives at home to see if they're ready, if they need to be fed. I would like to get some more honey out of them, but I may not be able to. We'll see. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give Josh one, because he got stung. He needs a super cool thumbs up. Do you know what else is super cool?
subscriptions.
That's right, Josh. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. If you haven't, well, right now is a great time. Scroll down, click on that subscribe button, click on the little gray bell when that pops up, and you get notifications every time we upload a new video. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.